Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here. This is a quick walking tour of Nob Hill area of Portland, Oregon, Nob Hill. This area is a very hip area with tons of cool restaurants and shops and stores, secondhand stores. It's very busy, very cool, and very easy to walk. The houses in the neighborhoods are beautiful, and the neighborhood is tree lined once you get into the actual neighborhood where the houses are, so there's tons of shades. Unfortunately, on the day that I actually decided to go to Nob Hill, it was 95 degrees. I didn't realize it until I got here, and I stuck around for about an hour, and then after that I had to leave. I was like, it was just too hot, and it really sucked because I really wanted to spend more time down here. It is a gorgeous area. I would not mind living down here myself. You ask about, well, what about the homeless population? I saw a few homeless people out, but it was not like, say, if you go to Portland, certain areas, the city center, same as Eugene, where there's a lot of people in tents all over. I did not see any tents, so I'm betting Portland has designated areas for people that are homeless to be able to set up their tent and be able to sleep and all that stuff, but they're not going to likely allow that in the Nob Hill area. It's obviously a more higher priced area of Portland, Victorian houses. Like I said, it's just really cool to walk around here. All types of people, very diverse, laughing, having fun, going in and out of the shops. It was really pretty here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, everyone. Also, one other thing, you'll see me pass like a green machine by the side of the cars. Parking is not that difficult, but figuring out how to park was a little bit confusing at first. But where you park at, like right here, you take a picture, remember your license plate, and then you go to the machine, put in your license plate number, and it's about $3 or $4 to be able to stay there a max of 2 hours. And then I think after a certain time, maybe it's 7 p.m., you don't have to worry about it anymore. But it wasn't really that hard. It was just at first I couldn't figure out, well, where do I pay? It says I have to pay. When you see those green machines, just go up to them, put your license plate number in, pay by credit card. I'm literally trying to stay in the shade. That's how hot it is. Like I touched the back of my neck. Oh man, it's still all sweaty. Good Lord. So this is the Nob Hill area of Portland, Oregon. Supposed to be a hip area. It's pretty expensive. But honestly, the house I have in Denver, I could buy a house down here, which is a trip, because I couldn't buy a house in downtown Denver, but I could buy a house in downtown Portland. One final note on this was on the Nob Hill area. It is a very, very walkable area. It is set up for the pedestrians, meaning that like the crosswalks are very clear, and in other parts where there's not a stoplight, cars know to stop and allow you to cross, you know, whatever way you're going. So this area is very, very walkable. And as far as the dining goes, eat in, eat out, whatever. You have a huge selection of different places, from restaurants to milkshake places like the Salted Straw and various others. It's a good place to go visit.